Hello friends, my name is Mukesh Bethan. As we have seen this particular word's classification now, seeing the form of Ram, masculine, ending in a. See, you speak the Rama, last word a, so ending with a. Now see vibhakti, pratham vibhakti, Ramaha, Ramo, Ramaha means Ram, two Ram, many Ram. Dvitiya see Ramam, Ramo, Raman. Dvitiya line you see. Then you realize two Ram, two Ram, TO, two, then two TWO, two Ram, then two many Rams. Tritiya you see Rame means by Ram, Ramabhyam means by two Ram, and Ramehi by many Rams. Chaturthi you see Ramai. Chaturthi you see fourth for the Ram, then Ramabhyam for two Rams and Ramabhya for many Rams. See, Ramar from Ram, you see fifth, Ramar from Ram, Ramabhyam from two Ram and Ramabhya from many Rams. You see Ramasya, sixth case, Ramasya. As telling Gajasya like this, Ramasya of Ram, of two Ram and of many Ram. Ramasya of Ram, Ram Yoho of two Ram and Ramanam of many Rams. You see Rame on Ram, Ram Yoho on two Ram and Rameshu on many Rams. And see this Saptami and Sambodhan, Hey Ram means O Ram, Hey Ramo, Hey two Ram, and Hey Rama means Hey many Rams. Now Ram ending in A is a masculine noun. Form the declension of Bala, Rupa, Magara following those of Ram. Like this we have to make this particular noun of Bala. For example, Balaha, Balo, Balaha. One child, two child and many child. Then like this, Balam, Balo, Balana, Balen, Balabhyam, Balehi, Balai, Balabhyam, Balebhyaha, Balat, Balabhyam, Balebhyaha, Balasya, Balyoho, Baleshu, Balanam, Bale, Balyoho, Baleshu, He Bala, He Balo, He Balaha. Like this have to make in place of Rama. Have to speak the words of Balaha. Then Nupaha, Nupa, that your king. Nupaha, Nupo, Nupaha. King, two kings and many kings. Nupam, two kings. Nupo, two kings. Nupan, two many kings. Like this have to make this particular words or what you call it particular sentence. Now see on next page the words of Bala. You see ending in A. Rama ending in A. Rama last word A and Bala last word A. So ending in A and feminine. As you know, Bala means girl. Bala, Bale, Balaha means a girl, Bale two girl, too many girls. Many girls. Dvitiya Balam, two a girl, Bale to two girls, Balaha to many girls. Like this. Baliya, Balaya. As you know, third one. By the girl, by two girls, Balabhyam and Balebi by many girls. Chaturthi, Balaye. Chaturthi, you see. For the girl, for two girls, Balabhyam and for many girls. Balyaha, Panchami Vibhakti, fifth, showing this from a girl, from two girls and from many girls. Like this we have to make Balayaha, Balyoho, Balanam, Balayam, Balyoho, Baleshu, Balashu. Hey Bale means O child, O girl. He Bale, or 2 girls, and He Bala, or many girls. From the declension of Sala, Mala, and Sita according to Mala. According to it, you can make this particular form also. Declension of Sala, Mala, Sita according to Bala, because all are ending with a and feminine, as you know. Sala ending with a, Sita ending with a, and Mala ending with a. All feminine. Like this you can make. See, listen, I am making the form of Sala. See, Sala, Sale, Salaha, Salam, Sale, Salaha, Saliyaha, Saliya, Salabyam, Salabihi, Salaye, Salabyam, Salabyaha, Salayaha, Salabyam, Salabyaha, Salayaha, Salyoho, Salanam, Salayam, Salyoho, Salasu, He Sale, He Sale, He Salaha, like this. Same, in place of Bala, you have to speak these particular words. Now ending with a in neuter. You see, ending with a neuter. Vana, last word as you know, a, neuter gender, one. That is, the remaining declensions will be according to masculine noun. From the declension of Pustak, Phal and Patra according to 1. See this neuter noun 1. In this finding slight changing, others as you know same. The remaining declension will be according to masculine noun. See, according to masculine. See on left side. From the declension of Pustak, Phala and Patra, as you know. Like this I have to do. Vanam, Vane, Vanani, Vanam, Vane, Vanani, and Hevan, Hevane, and Hevanani. That you have to make like this particular words. Same. So we realize or understand it in a proper way. Next page, you see, page number 48. If the above declensions are learnt by heart and declensions of other nouns are formed in the same way, communication in Sanskrit can be done easily. If you remember this formula and learn according to it, prepare according to it, you can learn easily. You can also use Sanskrit language easily using the declension of such type of nouns. You can use it properly when you learn this case then. See, sometimes we see in Sanskrit the declension like saha, sa, te, aham, mama, tava. These words we find. Do you know these declensions? Do you know this particular pronunciation? Find out and make the note of such type of sentences in which these declensions, these words are used. See, for example, saha kridati, aham khadami, etc. Saha kridati, aham khadami, etc. The form which is used in place of noun is called pronoun, as you know. Each and every person use I for himself. Asmad, yusmad, kaha, esa, esa, etc. are included. This particular asmad and yusmad, these words are used. Case declensions of pronouns are formed this way. See, two divisions are there, asmad and yusmad. Asmad means I, yusmad means you. See the table, first asmad, aham, I, avam, we both, we two, and vayam means we. Mama means me. Avam means to both of us, and Asman means to us. Mama means my. Avyoho means to both of us, and Asmakam means our. Yusmad issue, that means here you realize that I, we two, we all. Mama means me, to both of us, to us. Mama means my, avyo means to our, asmakam means our. To both of us, and here our. Yusmad, you see, you. Tvam means you, yuam means you too, yum means you all. Tvam means to you, yuam means to you too, and yusman means to you. Tava means your, you, yoho means to your, and yusmakam means your. Tava, see, aham janami, I know, tava gruham sundaram asti, your house is good. Aham means I, janami, I know. Tava, your, gruham means house, sundaram asti, asti means is and sundaram means good. I know that your house is good. See on next page, page number 49. Mala mama sakhi asti. Mala is my friend. Aham tvam vadami. I am telling her. Bold words in above sentence introduce the pronouns. See, mama means my, aham means I, tvam means her. Collect such sentence from the lesson and understand them. Collect this type of words and try to understand it in a proper way. Read carefully the slokas for the use of cases. Ramo Rajmanihi Sada Vijyate Ramam Ramesham Bhaje. Ramena Vihata Nisachar Cham Ramay Tasme Namaha. Ramanasti Parayanam Partaram Ramasya Daso Ahasyam Mam Rame Chitlayah Sada Bhavatu Me Ho Ram Mama Dhura. If you see Ramo Rajmani Sada Vijyate Ramam Ramesham Bhaje. Rame Na Bihata Nisa Charcham Ramay Tasme Namaha. Tasme word as you know means to you. Ramani Pranam Parataram Ramasya Dasohyam Ramasya, I am the servant of Sri Ram. Rame Chitlaya Sada Bhavatu, always I remember Sri Ram. Me Bo Ram Mama Dhura, who is doing good to us. Here you see, Rama is a nominative case. Ramam is in second, means accusative case. See, Ramam is there. Ram and by Ram, that is in third case. Ramai, that is in the fourth case. See, Ramai Tasme Namaha. Then Ramata, from Ram is in the fifth case. Ramasya of Ram is in sixth case. See, Ramasya also there. And Rame is in seventh case. Thus, reading above slokas carefully, we become familiar with different declarations of cases. By using this word, each and every word is coming. See, Ram coming, Ramam coming, Raman coming, Ramai coming, Ramat coming, Ramasya and Rame, all words coming. And according to the use of these words, its meaning like this. That we should keep in mind. See. Thus, reading above slokas, we become familiar with different declarations of cases. Now study the following slokas. Prathamasi Ahalya Draupadi Sita Tara Mandadari Tata Panchakam Na Smaret Nityam Mahapat Nasanam. If you remember this, as you know, Ahalya, Draupadi, Sita, Tara and Mandodari. Panchak Nam, Panch means five name, is always destroy the sin. Second, see Ganga, Papam, Sasi, Tapam, Dainyam, Kalpataru Tatha. Papam, Tapam, cha Dainyam, Chahanti, Sadhu, Shamagam. This here you see Ganga, Papam. It is believing that Ganga destroy our sin. Sasi, Tapam, so moon destroy it. And Dainyam, Kalpataru. And Kalpataru, as you know, destroy poverty. Papam, Tapam, cha Dainyam. Sin, hate and poverty is destroyed with the help of sadhu samagam, with the help of good person. All these is done, all these destroy if we use the or we remain in the company of a good person. Keeping till here, next time we see other slokas and explaining. Clear? Read 3 times, write 1 time in your book. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye. See you.